Acuña, and I'm here with my group mates to present our educational vlog in Mathematics 7. Our topic is all about addition of polynomials.
Hello there! In this educational vlog, we hope that you will more understood what is polynomials and how to solve addition polynomials.
Do you have any idea to solve addition polynomials?
First of all, let me introduce to you what is polynomial. Polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variable.
Let's start.
We have 4 examples in this kind of educational vlog.
Let me guide you on how to add these polynomials.
Let's start with number 1. In number 1, we are asked 3x plus 2 plus 4x plus 6. As you can see, we have two given polynomials.
So if you're confused, it says here we need to add parentheses, meaning we need to multiply. No.
This one is just a grouping, wherein 3x positive 2 is the first polynomial, and the 4x positive 6 is the other polynomial. And as you can see, we have here this operation addition. What we need here is to add them.
So, how to add polynomial?
What you need to do is first copy this one. I will do this vertically, so we have 3x positive 2, then it will be added to another polynomial 4x positive 6. So we will align which terms are like terms.
We say like terms, they have the same variable and the exponent of variable.
So here in our next polynomial, 4x will be aligned to 3x at the bottom. Next, we have here a constant, so it must be aligned with other constant. So this is positive x, and then we can add them. 3x positive 4x is 7x. Then 2 plus 6 is 8. So this is plus 8. So this now the final answer for item number 1.
Now let's continue with item number 2. We have two binomials here, x squared plus 2 plus 2x squared negative 5.
Now, first thing we need to do is to copy the first polynomial.
Have x squared plus 2, then it will be added here. We will align to x squared with x squared because they are like terms, since they have the same variable and exponent, so it be put here 2x squared.
Now, as for negative 5, this one is also constant. It will be aligned under the constant of 2, so this is minus 5.
By the way, make sure that you master the operations in integers because you will be using your knowledge on how to add, subtract, multiply, and lastly, divide integers.
Here, x squared plus 2x squared is equivalent to 3x squared because here we have a coefficient of 1.
Next, 2x positive negative 5. Since the absolute value of 5 is bigger, we will put here negative 3. Since they have different signs, we will subtract the numbers 5 minus 2 equal 3. And then to copy the sign, we will copy the sign of the number with the biggest absolute value.
So now the answer is 3x squared negative 3.
Again, let's move on to number 3. Next, 2x positive negative 5. Since the absolute value of 5 is bigger, we will put here negative 3. Since they have different signs, we will subtract the numbers 5 minus 2 equal 3. And then to copy the sign, we will copy the sign of the number with the biggest absolute value. First polynomial, 3x squared negative 8x plus 7. And the second polynomial is 2x squared negative 6x plus 2.
Add them all, 3x x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared. Next, negative 8x plus negative 6x, we have negative 14x. Lastly, we have 7 plus 2, so this is positive 9. As you can see, that's the final answer.
For item number 4, we decided to use different variable.
It's only work with variable x? No.
So here we will have 4r raised 3 plus 3r to the 4th power plus r to the 4th power minus 5r raised 3.
As you see, so if you will notice, in the first term of the first polynomial, it starts with the exponent of 3. So we need to rearrange this standard from wherein we will start with the variable with the highest exponent.
So instead of copying r cubed plus 3r to the 4th power, we will write first 3r raised to the 4th power and then we have plus 4r cubed.
Next, copy this one, so plus r to the 4th power minus 5r raised to 3, and then we will add them.
Answer is 4r raised to the 4th power, and as you can see, we have different signs, so we will subtract the numbers. 5 minus 4, it's 1. Copy the exponent and the variable.
The absolute value of 4 raised to 3 is greater than the absolute value of 4 raised to 3. We will copy the negative sign, and this one is not final yet.
Have here is 4r to the 4th power negative. This coefficient of 1 must be invisible, so this is 4r to the 4th power r raised to 3, and this is now the answer.
That was so great! So now you know how to add polynomials in easy way. We will have a short quiz. You only have 2 minutes to answer these 3 questions.
You know, math is difficult at first, but if you understand it, you will understand it easily. Just like our math teacher said, understand it well so it won't be difficult for you. That's it. I hope you like our educational vlog offering. And now, I hope you all know how to add polynomials easily. Again, we are group 3. Goodbye. God bless you all. I hope you like it.